Hey friends, if you are unable to use this command IPconfig /renew or release and renew, no operation can be performed, then please watch this video. Now, before thinking further, straight away run network reset. Do it and then I'll explain why. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select advanced network settings and then click on network reset and then click on reset now and then finally click on yes. Now I'll tell you why. Because network reset basically entails all the commands like resetting WinSock, flushing DNS, IPconfig release, IPconfig renew, reset TCP, IP, everything. So this will basically do the job for you and then you can proceed with something else. Now if that doesn't help, then just reset the router. Okay. And if resetting the router doesn't help either, then power cycle the modem, router and computer, which means switch off the modem, router, computer, all the three devices. Now only switch on the modem and no other device. Wait till all the lights are stable. Then switch on the router. Wait till all the lights are absolutely stable and then switch on the computer. And finally, run the network adapter troubleshooter. How would you do that? So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab, select troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters and then click on run corresponding to the network adapter troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.